Hey guys, welcome to Creative Designs channel. In this video, you'll see how to make this cartoon character in Illustrator using basic shapes and tools. So let's begin. Select the ellipse tool from the tools panel and create a circle. Select the pen tool and create a custom shape for the character below. Right click on the object, go to transform, reflect, select vertical and click copy. Hold shift and drag it to right. Select all three shapes and unite the shapes from Pathfinder panel. Now create some more shapes for eyes. Go to edit, copy and paste in front and change the color of the object. Do the same for the rest. Make a group for the eyes using Ctrl+G. Right click on the group and make a copy for the right. Create a new circle and activate the selection tool. Highlight the upper path and press delete. Now complete the shape using pen tool. Create more shapes using pen tool. Duplicate the body and select the front one. Create a custom shape around it. Select both the shapes and click -front from Pathfinder. Change the color. Shift objects upward and align the corners. So this is how you make a simple cartoon character in Illustrator using basic tools. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.